All right, we're out here in the shop today. I want to show you a cool new product from BS Fab. They make a front light kit that comes into the front fairing of the Xpedition. Cool part about it is Polaris was cool enough to throw a wiring harness in here for us. So all we have to add is the BS Fab lights and a Polaris switch. It's a pretty quick install, and you got lights on the front of your Xpedition. All right, here's what you're gonna get in the box from BS Fab. You're gonna get, first thing is the bracket that the lights are gonna bolt to. You're gonna get the switch from Polaris. Cool slap koozie and some stickers. Oh, that's the actual switch. We already took it out of the box. And then you're going to get the instructions and the lights. So this one, we are doing clear lights, and it comes with this Y harness. That's what you're going to hook up to the factory harness. We actually have this car apart a little bit more than you're probably going to have your car apart, but we're doing a lot of wiring. But you can get to the switch from underneath the dash. It's actually tied, or it's not actually a switch, but it's the housing that switch is going to plug into. It's actually taped up to the factory headlight switch and harness that's already in there. So you're going to untape that, and you're just going to feed it through the hole right next to your headlight switch, and then plug the factory switch into that, and you're good to go. All right, we got the lights installed. As you can see how well they fit. On ours, they have a flood lens and a spot lens. We did the flood on the outside and spot in the middle to give you more distance on the front. And then the spot on the outside, super easy install. And it's just got the switch in here. It's triggered on ignition, and then there's your switch. So you got your lighting set up. Super easy, very clean install. Awesome that Polaris did that for us and put that harness in there. It's a great way to add some light to the front of your car. Click the link below to order your set today. 2 different options.